Hello friends, welcome back to my channel all about basics, and this video is also about Java, and it's a really simple program again. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is my third video on Java. Till now I had done two videos, that one was on adding two fractions and the other was to find if the given year is a leap year. So this time we are going to see how to make a simple quiz on Java. For that, the first thing we require is Java on your PC. For that, go to run, that is Windows R, type cmd and then enter. You'll get this command prompt over here. To check if you have Java on your system, type Java and enter. If you get this long stuff over here, then it is sure that you have Java on your system. If you don't have it, you'll have to download it externally through the internet. So now, the next thing is to set the path. So here, my path is set to C drive, users and Lenovo. But I have saved my files elsewhere. So to do that, go to the folder where you have saved it and then copy the path. Control C, copied. Then go back to the command prompt, cd space and then paste the path. cd is the command to set the path whatever you enter next. So enter. Yeah, the path is now set to C drive Java programs. Now, the next thing is to type the program. So now, let's start typing the program. For that, go to the place where you saved all your Java programs, open a new text document and name it quiz. I already have something called as a quiz here, so I'm gonna name it quiz new and then open it. Yes. Then the first few lines will remain the same. Import java.util.star semicolon. A semicolon is very important in Java. Public class and enter your file name as it is over here without the extension. Quiz new. You can name it anything you want. I have just named it quiz new. Open the flower brackets. Public static static void main string args. Open the brackets. Again, I'm going to tell this. Do not forget to close these brackets at the end of the program. Then you have to take the input for that. Scanner sc equals to new scanner. Remember to keep S capital over here. System dot in. So this is the input that we're asking the computer to take, and then we have to tell the computer what all variables we require in this program. So here we just require one variable, that is the answer from the user. So we'll just take the variable as a. So int a. Let it be integer because the options will be in numbers. So integer a is the only thing we require for this. So then we are going to ask the user to give the input, that is the answer. So first we'll ask the question to the user and then take the input. So for the question, system.out.println. Now the PC is going to ask the question to the user. For that, let the question be, which IPL team has won the most number of titles? Most number of IPL titles. Okay. Yeah. Question mark and then closed. So here, as it is a quiz, we'll need to give options to the user. So for that, before taking the input only, we'll ask the computer to give the options. So semicolon here and then we'll type for options. System.out.println option 1, CSK, again we're going to type for option 2 dot print ln option 2, option 2 Mumbai Indians, then option 3 option 3 KKR, and then option 4 Delhi Capitals. Yes. Now here, before taking the input from the user, the computer is gonna print this line first and then these 4 options below the question, and then later it is gonna take the input. So the input will be a equals sc dot next int. Oh, I should be caps here, do not forget that. Open and close the brackets. So here it will take the, it will ask the question first and then the options, and then it will take the input. The input will be 1, 2, 3 or 4. It will be one among those 4 numbers. So here we know that the correct answer is option 2. So if the user selects option 2, then the computer has to print it as correct answer, and if the user chooses any other option other than 2, then the computer will have to print it as wrong answer. So for that, if a equals to, well, I had told it in my first video, whenever you're equalizing something in Java, you'll have to use double equals to mark. So if a equals to 2, so here it is telling that if the user chooses 2 as the answer, then print system dot out dot println print as correct answer and few exclamatory marks, and a semicolon. What if it uses any other number than 2? So for that, else if it does not choose 2, then print it as wrong answer. For that, again system dot out dot println wrong answer. So here we are done with the only one question. You can create many more questions like this. So here I'm again going to explain the program from first. The computer is going to ask this question first, this line here. It is going to ask this first, and then it is going to print these 4 options below the question. And then later it's going to take the input from the user. So we know that the answer is option 2. So if the user enters 2 as the answer, so as I said earlier, A will be the answer. So if the user chooses 2 as the answer, then the system will print it as correct answer. But if it chooses anything other than 2, then it is going to be printed as wrong answer. So as I told you earlier that you have to close these brackets, we'll close that now. Closed. We're going to save the program. Control S. Close the program. Then go back to your command prompt and then check for errors in the program. Java C space your file name with the extension quiz new.java. This was my file name and I've typed it as it is. And this Java C is the command to check for errors and compiling it. So enter. It is checking for errors. Oh, there was something wrong here. Just a minute. Oh, I have not converted it to a Java file. So for that, rename it, and instead of txt, make the extension as Java. Now this text document is converted to a Java file. So now we are again going to check it. Java C space quiz new dot java. So this is the command for compiling, that is checking for errors. So enter, it's gonna check for errors. There are no errors as it just went to the next line. And now we're gonna execute the program. For execution, the command is just Java and the file name, but without the extension over here. Quiz new. Oh, N should be capital there. Yeah. And there should be no extension entered here. Enter. So yeah, it is asking the question, which IPL team has won the most number of IPL titles? We know the answer is 2. We'll give it as 2. Enter. Correct answer. We got the output properly. Now we'll check for wrong answer. Java space quiz new and enter. So we'll put the answer as 1. Wrong answer. So our program is working perfectly. So now if you want to create more questions like this, you just have to change the question over here and change the options as well. And then put the same thing down below over here. Over here. And then do not forget to change the number over here. Whichever is the correct option there, just put the same number in the next question there. And put these brackets at the last. I hope you guys liked the video. If you really did, just hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And I want you people to please comment down below on what you want next, and also tell me on any feedback about this video. Thanks a lot and goodbye for now.